You have a major purpose that you're beginning to fully execute. There may have been delay after delay, or different things just was getting in the way of you actually fulfilling whatever it is that the Most High, that God has been calling you to do. And now you're in the process of seeing these things come into fruition. And so you're seeing 5555. You're seeing this on receipts. You stop and you catch it on like your phone or on TV or just random places. Keep going. Continue. Because what is happening is that so many opportunities are being unlocked for you because you're being obedient. There's some major breakthroughs that are happening because it's something that only you can do. Everything that has come into your life during this time when you're fulfilling God's promise, there's a reason why there was opposition. There's a reason why there were people trying to make you feel like you have, it's like to lose momentum, like people just making noises or just trying to frustrate you or trying to steer your attention elsewhere. Those are demonic forces. Like the enemy knows that there's something about to break free. There's a stronghold that is being broken off of your life, off your bloodline. There's a lot of changes that are happening, and you are the impact for that change by whatever it is that you're doing. And so be not afraid. You're meant for this. You're called and you're answering the call. You're doing what the Most High is putting on your heart and putting your soul to do. And the reason why God has been really trying to get you to do this thing is because you have an unorthodox way of doing it. It's new, it's different. It is not what's perceived as the norm. And it is it is going to free so many other people in their own way. And so I share this with you because some of you're getting people still trying to get your attention, or I'll put it this way. In whatever environment you're in, there are people that are trying to just be a nuisance, like a gnat per se, just trying to direct your attention elsewhere so that you're not focused on what it is that you should be doing. So, wow, we're at 11:11. Y'all, you're in alignment. The blessings that's happening for you, you're going to be so grateful that through it all, you remain integral. Through it all, you do not give up and you did not fold. So it doesn't matter the opposition that may have been in your way, you went through it. You did not retreat. Even at times where you felt like, okay, God, you're asking me to do certain things or put certain things out here, but I'm not sure what I'm doing. But He's called you because you're equipped. And you're doing it just perfectly how He wanted you to. So be encouraged, because with 555 showing up constantly, and I want to run this all the way to 555, just to, keep everything in sync and in alignment. What is also happening is that the things that may have seemed to be like an annoyance to you, okay, the strongholds that are also being broken off you is that feeling that you may have had in the past of not wanting to rock the boat per se, wanting to just remain neutral, not wanting to offend this person or that person. But the truth of the matter is that no matter what it is that you do, somebody is going to find offense in it. If you're focusing on doing the right thing and you know in your heart and soul that your intentions are good, oftentimes what's happening is that people are offended no matter what, because you're speaking from a space of truth. And truth is something that is not comfortable. You share your truth, share your visions, your dreams, whatever it is that you have going on. Of course, with discretion, okay? You don't want to put your business out there, but with seeing 555, your voice is resonating as truth. Your voice is freeing a lot of other people from their strongholds. There's things that people have been going through and they've been afraid of even expressing these things. And so by you putting whatever type of content or any creative ideas out there, you're giving a voice to those that feel as if they're voiceless. So it's like a chain reaction, a ripple effect that's happening just by you being obedient and doing what it is that the Most High has called you to do. So continue.